Hi everyone, this is Esh de Guzman and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this tutorial video, we are going to discuss the third type of the Primavera calendar, the calendar that we call the resource calendar. So like the global calendar, resource calendar can be also assigned to one or more resources. But take note that in order to assign this resource calendar to a particular resource, here in our activity window, the type of the activity should be set to resource dependent. Like for example, this activity, let's go here in general. We can see here the activity type. So this activity type is task dependent. This is the normal type of activity, but here we can see 6 types of activities: finish milestone, level of effort, resource dependent, start milestone, task dependent, and the WBS summary. So in order to assign a resource calendar, again, the activity type should be set to resource dependent, so that when we schedule the whole project, the particular resource under this specific activity will be scheduled according to the assigned resource calendar. Again, as we have discussed before, resource calendar has 2 types. Number one is the shared resource calendar, and secondly is the personal resource calendar. So let us first start how to learn to create a new shared resource calendar. So to create a new shared resource calendar, let's go to Enterprise here. And yes, this calendar, click calendar. Select the resource button here. So we have this calendar form, we have 3 options: a global, project, resource. So let's click the resource calendar. So again, you can see here the 2 types of the resource calendar: personal resource calendars and the shared resource calendars. We have some sample resource calendars created here already. Click on any existing shared resource calendar here, and then we just have to click add. So click add to create a new calendar. And again, we will be shown a new form, a select calendar to copy from. So we will select any calendar here. It could be 5 days work week, 6 days work week, or whole day work week, like 7 days work week. Take note that you may not copy an existing project or personal resource calendar. That's why we have to select from global calendars, existing global calendars. So let's select one. Let's say, for example, 5 days SRX, or let's choose another one like this, trades 5-day work week. Okay, so we have a new calendar now. We have to assign a name. So take note that it is better to keep this short, as they are then easily displayed in a column here if we are going to display the calendar assigned to an activity here in our activity table. Say for example, this calendar is specific to painter. Say for example, painter. 5 days work week, 5 days work week. So we have now created a shared resource calendar, painter 5 days work week, and again, it is based from a global calendar. So another information, what we're creating now is a shared resource calendar, but a personal calendar may also be made into a shared calendar by, again, for example, let's click X. Let's go here again at Enterprise, calendar, resource button, selecting any personal calendar. Let's say for example, Hydro Blaster. We can change this into a shared calendar by clicking to shared. So we will be asked, are you sure you want to convert this calendar to a shared resource calendar? So if we want to create this personal resource calendar to shared resource calendar, just click Yes, but for now, I will just click no. That's how we create a shared resource calendar. And now to create a new personal resource calendar, again, we go to the calendars here from the enterprise menu, click calendars. So clicking on any personal resource calendar, say for example, uh, Chef Frank Chu personal resource calendar, or any of the available personal resource calendars here, click add. After clicking add, we will be shown a select resource form. To select the resource to be assigned the calendar. So this personal resource calendar will be created only if we have available resources on our system. So we have some few examples or some few created resources here in our data or in our system. So click any of them. Say for example, the project controls, select add. We have created a new, but we have to click the modify or to edit or to change this new personal resource calendar. So from here you can modify. So as you can see, we have a new form here with the calendar July 2024. So this form, we will be discussing this form in the next tutorial video. So for now, we just have to click X. So if we want to change the name of this newly created personal resource calendar, just click here. Say for example, this is Project Engineer. So there you go. Again, like what we have discussed earlier, a personal resource calendar can be converted into a shared resource calendar. Same way, uh, any available shared resource calendar can also be converted into personal resource calendar. So we can do that by selecting an existing shared calendar. So we have two here. Let's say for example, this Painter 5 days work week that we have created. We will convert it to personal. Here, just click to personal. So this is a shared resource calendar. That's why this option to shared is not available to select. So we can select to personal and then we will be asked again. In order to perform this operation, the filter will be changed display all resources. So just yes if you want to convert this shared resource calendar to personal, and no if you don't want to. So that's how we create a personal and shared resource calendar.